Hello, my name is Luong Thanh. I'm 6 years old. I'm in the class 189. Today, I talk about nature around my class. Flower.
I see.
I see a flower. It's blue. I see a sun. It's big. It's
Bright.
It's bright. I see trees. It's tall. They are tall. I see butterfly. It's beautiful. They are beautiful. I see bush. They are green. I love nature. I love school.
My school.
I love my school. Thank you.
Thanks for.
Thank you.
Thanks for.
Thanks for listening me.
Listening.
Listen me. Bye bye.